Hello friends, welcome to my SAP Knowledge Transfer YouTube channel. Last couple of days I am unable to make videos due to some reason. Today onwards I will post videos frequently. Please like, share my videos and comment your valuable feedbacks. Before go to today's session, subscribe my channel and press bell icon so you will get the notification whenever I post the videos. Today we'll see the session on SAP Material Management, short form called as here Material SAP So what are the organization levels in SAP Client, company code, plant, storage location, purchasing organization, purchasing group. Let's see one by one. So what is client? A client is the highest hierarchical organizational unit within an SAP system that contains master records and tables. From a business point of view, client represents as a corporate group. What is company code? A company code is an independent accounting unit. It is a legal entity that has its own profit, loss and balance statement. What is plant? A plant is an organizational unit within a company where activities take place. A plant will be produce goods and make goods available for the company. Storage location. Storage location is a place where stock is kept physically. A plant can consist of multiple storage location. Mean we can assign multiple storage location for a single plant. So what is purchasing organization? Purchasing organization is an organizational unit in SAP Material Management which is responsible for purchasing and carries out procurement activities on behalf of the company. So what is purchasing group? A purchasing group is an organizational unit that is responsible for the everyday procurement activities within an organization. So these are the organization levels in SAP First there is a client. Client always is a 3-digit numeric value. Company is a 6-digit value. So under the company code will available. The company code always should be in a 4-digit. So under the company code we having a plant. Plant also we can create as a 4-digit. Then under the plant we having a storage locations. Storage locations so can be created as a 4 digits. So the purchasing organization, purchasing group will maintain as a plant level. So we'll see simple example. So this is a Tata Group is a client. So Tata Group having the two different companies. One is Tata Motors and the Tata Steel. So Tata Motors company having a two type of plants. One is manufacturing, one is assembly. Under the plant having the storage locations. So similar way. So Tata Steel also one of the company of the Tata Group. So that under the steel that company, so having a manufacturing and assembly plant. Under the assembly plants and manufacturing plant having a storage locations. So let's see practically. So creation of organization structure in material management, the following methods: define company code, define plant, define storage location, define purchasing organization, define purchasing group. Shall we see one by one? First we'll see the define company. We'll go to SAP. Transaction code is SPRO. SPRO means SAP Project Reference Object. It will create the enterprise structure in the SAP system. Enter, select SAP Reference IMG. IMG means Implementation Guide. You will go to enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. So we will create a new company. So I will click on new entries. So I will create a new company. So company name is Kumar. Company as a Kumar. Company name is Kumar Enterprises. Enterprises. Country India, so I mention IN. Language English. Currency INR. So I will save. It will show is a customized pop-up request. So I will select a new, create a request. So I will create my company name. Will save now. So it will give a new request number. So we'll save Kumar Enterprises. So the company is created. Okay. Then we'll create as a company code. We'll come back. Define, edit, copy, delete, check company code. Click on this. In this, copy, delete, check company code. So company code always you copy from the old standard system. So always standard system's company code is 1000. So now you want with company code you should be created. You select as a company code. I given a company code as a 0154 is my company code. So it will give. Currency INR. It will the data copy from the standard system. It will take some time. So company code is created. Okay. So now we want to edit the company code. So we'll go to position. The company code is 0154. So we'll click on the 0154. We'll click the company name. That address you want, whichever one you want the address, you can fill it address. Languages English. You can want a phone number also. You can able to give the phone numbers. So now the data was saved. So now the company was created. Company code also will create. So next is for plant. We can create the plant. So we'll go to definition, logistics general, define, copy, delete, check plant. So we'll define plant. So I can create a new plant. So we'll create new and click on new entries. My plant name is KU P1 means Kumar plant 1. I will given the Kumar plant 1. So the factory intersecting 1. Same way I will create another one plant KU P2. So plant 1, plant 2 will create a next one is for define storage location. Same SPRO enterprise structure definition, you go to material management, maintain storage location. So you give the plant name which is you will created KU P1 is my plant, and I'll select the new, create the new storage location. So my storage location is 001 for raw material, 002 for semi finished, 003 for finished. So these three storage location I will create for my plant 1. Same way I will create for the plant 2 also. I will create the storage locations. So number 4 also completed. Next 5, define purchasing organization. So same SPRO enterprise structure definition, material management, maintain purchasing organization. So I will create a new purchase organization, KU purchasing organization. It's like a KU PV, more purchasing organization. I will mention as a more company name. So, fifth one also completed. Next for define purchasing group. So define purchasing group, same way SPRO will go directly, will go to material management, purchasing, create purchasing group. Will go to, I will create a new purchasing group. KPG. So today class will complete the organization section of SAP MM. So Next class we'll see the assignment of organization success. So thank you friends.